Today I'll be trying the Habanero Lime Buldak Nuclear Fire Noodles. I've tried most of the other flavors. I have not tried this. I don't know about the lime in the noodles. I'm salivating already. I call this the devil sauce. Look at how it's so red, it's black. Get every bit of it in there. Okay, let's try. It makes it worse because it's so steamy hot. Your first bite. I haven't had a Buldak noodle in for so long. It's spicy. I don't really like the lime taste in it. The habanero is spicy. Have you tried this? I dare you. I'm gonna have cheese in it. A mozzarella stick. Bury it in there. Maybe one more. The cheese makes it a little less spicy. That's why if you're afraid to try the Buldak noodles, the spicy nuclear fire noodles, try the carbonara. That's the least spicy because it's cheese flavored. I'm gonna let it soak in there. I had to microwave it. Okay, let's see the cheese pull. It's steamy and it's spicy. But with cheese, it'll be better. Oh yeah, look at that cheese. And you have to squint your eyes because you don't want the spice to splash in your eyes. Cheese makes it so much better. Cheese makes everything so much better. You don't need a lip plumper. Milk on ice. Cheesy bite. The steamy hot is making it worse. It's good. It's steamy hot. It's spicy, and that's what makes the burn worse. But overall, the taste is good. Minus the lime flavor. I don't like the lime flavor. Still good. Would I buy this again? Maybe. Habanero is good. It's not as bad as the 2 times spice. I've had that before. I had 2 packs of 2 times spice in one of my challenges that I did. Try not to get it on your lips, it burns. Pretty good. If you like spicy noodles,